This simple little design is called the Ohio Star. It dates back to the 1800s. It's very basic and very simple. So if you're a beginner, this is a really good one because there's a couple of different skills you're going to learn in this. It has, to make the star, you need, of course, some solids. We have a solid center and then 4 solid corners, which are just in white. But it uses these hourglass shapes for the rest of it. So if you've never made an hourglass shape, it's very simple. We start, and first of all, this block finishes off at 11 inches, in case you're wondering. I started with the hourglasses by cutting 5-inch squares of fabric, okay? So first we make half square triangles out of those. And how do you do that? Well, you put your 2 pieces of fabric together, right sides together, draw a diagonal line down the center, and then stitch 1/4 of an inch on both sides of that line. And when you cut it in half and open it up, you have beautiful half square triangles like these, okay? That's the first step, because now you take the half square triangles and you marry them together, and that's what makes the hourglass. So generally, let's take one color here at a time. These 2 purples, I am going to go right sides together, but look, I don't want the patterns to be on the same side. I want them to be opposite. So if you lay them this way, and then here's our seam line from before. We're going to go against that. I would draw a diagonal line this way across it, stitch 1/4 of an inch on both sides of that, and cut it in half. And then look, when you open it up, you can see that that is going to make the hourglass shape. So using 2 pieces of the same fabric, you're going to get an hourglass that has 1 color, like I've done on this demo here. If you took 2 different pieces of fabric and married them together to make the hourglass, what you'll have is a 2-tone hourglass. So yeah, you have a lot of different ways you can play with that, which I like a lot. So here's another one. I have stitched this one together actually, so you can see when I tug on that, that's a 2-tone, and it's a 2-tone on here too. You end up making 2 hourglasses whenever you put 2 half square triangles together. So I really love this. Very simple setup, like I said. I think they said this started back in the pioneer days, you know, when they didn't have a lot of choices, so they used scrap fabric for this stuff because it doesn't take much. You know, 1 5-inch square of fabric made both of these hourglasses, and another 5-inch square made both of the purple hourglasses. So that's not a lot of fabric. This is the layout, if you want to screenshot that. The center row has the actual hourglasses, the top and the bottom. If you turn the hourglass, you get more of a bow tie. So that's the whole pattern right there. Bow tie on top, hourglasses around the center, another bow tie on the bottom. And you've got the beautiful Ohio Star. So here was the first one I showed you. I used solid color, you know, 2 greens for this, 2 purples for that. And I made one that I mixed them up, just so you can see the difference. Each hourglass is 2 different fabric colors. So when you arrange it like that, I think I actually like that better than this. But you choose. It's whatever you like the best. I hope you'll follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.